Hello all, you're on the channel Androidncomp. When repairing various electronic devices, you often need to unscrew and tighten dozens of screws. With an ordinary screwdriver, your hand gets tired quickly and the duration of the repair increases. Both problems can be solved with an electric screwdriver. With an electric screwdriver, it is easier and faster to tighten or unscrew screws. In this video, we will look at the compact electric screwdriver Xiaomi Wowstick 1F Plus. We will find out the features and capabilities of the electric screwdriver, as well as the areas of application. The screwdriver is made out of aluminium alloy and resembles a large pen for writing. At the base of the screwdriver is a magnetic holder for bits. Above, there are 3 LEDs for illumination. In my copy, one LED was not working. On the body, there is a double button to rotate the bit in both directions, and on the very top of the screwdriver is a connector to charge the built-in battery. You can also find the Xiaomi Wowstick 1P Plus screwdriver on sale without a built-in battery. Therefore, the Wowstick 1P Plus screwdriver requires 2 AAA batteries to work. The Wowstick 1F Plus screwdriver works in 2 modes, automatic and manual. In automatic mode, the bit holder rotates clockwise or counterwise. The rotation speed is 200 RMP. The Wowstick 1P Plus model has a rotation speed of 150 RMP. When idle, the rotating mechanism locks and the electric screwdriver can be used as a regular mechanical screwdriver. It takes up to 5 seconds to unscrew or tighten small screws, such as those in a phone or watch. For larger screws, there is often not enough power and it is necessary to turn the screws in manual mode. Also, if the screws are tight, you might have to loosen the connection manually, first with another screwdriver. The backlight only works if you use the automatic mode. It is not possible to use a screwdriver as a flashlight. The manufacturer has declared battery life is 8 hours, full charging time is up to 40 minutes. Wowstick 1F Plus electric screwdriver set consists of 69 items, 56 bits and 3 flasks, magnetized mat, screwdriver holder, plastic triangle, bit magnetizers, silicone retainer, charging cable, glass flask for storing small screws, pouch to hold screwdriver and 1-bit flask or 2-bit flasks. Xiaomi Wowstick 1F Plus electric screwdriver makes a pleasant impression. The screwdriver is built well and is free of design flaws, save for the one non-functioning LED in my copy, and the extensive package contains useful tools that are useful for both small and large repairs. With the electric screwdriver, it's easier and faster to unscrew or tighten screws. The screwdriver is designed to work with small screws in portable electronics, so it is suitable for disassembly and assembly smartphones, tablets, and various portable consoles, and some netbooks. But when working with larger screws, power is often not enough. Therefore, the Xiaomi Wowstick 1F Plus screwdriver is not suitable for disassembly and assembly of PCs and individual components, graphic cards, or power supplies. That's all I wanted to tell and show you. Write in the comments which type of screwdriver you prefer, mechanical or electric. Give me a like if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel and watch other no less interesting and useful videos on this channel. Thanks for your attention and see you soon.